Yawning is strange, and what's even stranger is how contagious it is. You might not be tired or sleepy, but just watching someone yawn can make you yawn too. Scientists believe this odd phenomenon is connected to empathy. When you see someone else yawn, your brain may mirror their action as a way to connect with them emotionally. It's more common among people who are close. Family members or friends are more likely to catch each other's yawns than strangers. This suggests that contagious yawning might be a sign of social bonding or emotional awareness. While it's still being studied, the next time you yawn after seeing someone else do it, just know your brain might be showing empathy without you even realizing it.